In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into ClickUp. If you've been managing tasks in a spreadsheet and you're ready to bring them into ClickUp, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish with clarity and confidence. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace in your browser and signing in. Before you begin, it helps to prep your Excel file. Make sure the first row contains clear column headers. Keep data consistent in each column and format dates properly in your sheet. You can import standard Excel files or CSVs, and formulas will come in as values, not as live formulas. Once you're in ClickUp, head to Settings. You'll find it in the sidebar, typically near the lower left area of the screen. From there, open the Imports and Exports section. This area is dedicated to moving data in and out of ClickUp, and importing won't change your existing content. Your current task and lists will stay exactly as they are. Choose Spreadsheet as your import source. This option is designed for Excel and CSV files and gives you a guided flow. If your spreadsheet is especially large, consider splitting it into smaller files so the upload is faster and easier to manage. Next, select the location where your tasks should land. Choose the space, folder, and list that will house the newly created tasks. This keeps your workspace organized from the start. While you're here, set the date format to match what you used in your sheet, whether that's month, day, year, or day, month, year, so due dates and start dates are interpreted correctly. When everything looks right, continue to the next step. Now, it's time to upload. Drag and drop your Excel file into the upload area or click to browse and select it manually. Give the system a moment to process the file. If your spreadsheet includes multiple tabs, you may be prompted to pick the one that contains your tasks. After the upload, you'll see mapping options. This is where you tell ClickUp how each column in your spreadsheet should translate into task fields. Map your task title column to task name. Connect notes to description. Link assignees, due dates, priorities, tags, and any other fields you use. If you see columns that don't have a perfect match, you can map them to custom fields so that no data is lost. Review the sample row previews to confirm everything lines up, then confirm the import. That's it. Your spreadsheet becomes actionable tasks in ClickUp, ready to track, sort, and manage.